Do you create estimates, bids, quotes, or proposals for prospective customers before you start a job? In QuickBooks, we call all these estimates. You can create your estimates in QuickBooks, email them to customers, and then convert them into invoices after you complete the work. Estimates allow you to propose work to customers and let them know about any proposed costs for that work. You can get started by selecting the New menu and then selecting Estimate. First, select the customer that you are proposing work for. Then be sure to fill in the billing address and also the email address if you want to email the estimate. QuickBooks uses the current date as the estimate date, and you can also enter an expiration date so that the customer knows by when they need to respond to you. In the Product Service area, enter all of the product and services that you are proposing for this customer. You can also enter a quantity or modify the rates as applicable for any of those products and services. Here you can write a customized message that is displayed on the estimate for that customer. Finally, you can attach documents to the estimate. If you wish to print the estimate, select Print or Preview, and you can print it from here. Or you can select Print Later if you want to print this estimate along with others in a batch later on. You can choose between these save options, but we want to email this to our client, so we will choose Save and Send. Right here you can see the subject line of the email that will be sent to the customer as well as the body of the email. And over on the right-hand side is a preview of the PDF that will be sent detailing the estimate. Now we will send and close. It's important to note that estimates are non-posting transactions. That means that the estimate we just entered will not impact the customer's balance. Let's confirm that by selecting Customers and Leads and then Customers. Right here, we can see that our customer's balance is still $0, so they don't owe us any money yet. The estimate is merely a proposal, but you can track what estimates you have sent to your customers by selecting the Estimate tab here. And then you will see all the customers that you have sent estimates to, along with the total estimated amounts. You can also run a report from the Reports tab named Estimates by Customer. This report shows you the amount for each of your outstanding estimates, along with their estimate status, such as pending, accepted, or rejected, and the expiration dates for all of the estimates. Now it's your turn to create estimates to propose work to your customer.